Your toolbox doesn't need more tools, it needs smarter ones. These tools are seriously impressive, so if you're into DIY, woodworking, repairs, or just love discovering clever tools, stick around, because number 13 might be the one you didn't know you needed. Ever wish your screwdriver, drill, and rotary tool could just become one tool? Well, that's basically what HOTO SNAPBLOQ is trying to do. This compact 3-in-1 system combines a mini drill, rotary tool, and electric screwdriver with 114 accessories for all kinds of small projects. The magnetic modular design makes switching between tasks quick and convenient. It's especially useful for electronics repair, 3D printing cleanup, DIY crafts, and detailed finishing work. Instead of pulling out 5 different tools for one tiny project, you can keep everything organized in one compact kit. Why carry a utility knife and a folding knife when one tool can do both? The WORKPRO 2-in-1 folding knife combines a traditional folding knife design with a replaceable utility blade function. Its wood handle gives it a classic look while keeping the tool comfortable to hold. The compact folding design makes storage much easier when you're not using it. It's handy for cutting cardboard, opening packages, workshop materials, and everyday DIY tasks. Having 2 cutting options in one tool means less clutter in your toolbox or pocket. It's a simple design, but sometimes simple is exactly what you need. Still painting everything with a brush? Your arm would like to have a word with you. The Tilswall Shark 800 is an 800-watt HVLP paint sprayer designed to make larger painting projects much faster. Instead of slowly brushing across every surface, you can apply paint with a more consistent spray pattern. It's useful for furniture, DIY projects, home improvement, and other suitable painting jobs. The HVLP system is designed for controlled application, helping you work more efficiently than traditional brushing. What if your next woodworking project could be designed by a computer and then actually built by one? The NBS6040 CNC router machine brings computer-controlled cutting into the workshop with a 710-watt spindle. It's designed for working with materials such as wood and acrylic, with capabilities depending on the machine's setup and material. CNC control allows you to create repeatable shapes, patterns, signs, and detailed designs with much greater consistency than manual cutting. It's especially interesting for makers who want to move from basic DIY projects into digital fabrication. Instead of measuring and cutting every design from scratch, you can create a digital pattern and let the machine handle the movement. Ever tried squeezing a big pair of pliers into a space designed for a toothpick? Yeah, that never ends well. These mini WORKPRO water pump pliers are only 4 inches long, making them useful for tight spaces where full-size pliers can be awkward. The groove joint design gives you adjustable positioning for different tasks. They're handy for small plumbing repairs, household maintenance, and working around compact components. Their small size also makes them easy to carry in a tool pouch or keep inside a compact emergency kit. You know that one screw, panel, or stubborn object that refuses to cooperate? Bring backup. This EDC Pry Bar Multitool combines a compact pry bar with a bidirectional ratcheting screwdriver, giving you multiple functions in one small tool. The pry function can be useful for light-duty leverage and positioning tasks, while the ratcheting screwdriver adds convenience for fasteners. Its compact design makes it easy to keep in a toolbox, workbench drawer, or everyday carry setup where appropriate. Instead of grabbing several separate tools for quick jobs, you've got multiple functions together. Cleaning a bathroom by hand is one thing. Doing it while scrubbing until your arms go numb is another. The MR.SIGA electric spin scrubber uses powered rotating heads to help tackle cleaning tasks around kitchens and bathrooms. The motorized spinning action can make repetitive scrubbing less tiring than using a traditional sponge or brush. Different attachments can help with different surfaces and cleaning situations. It's useful for areas such as tiles, sinks, tubs, and other suitable household surfaces. The cordless design also gives you more freedom to move around while cleaning. Want incredibly clean woodworking cuts without plugging in a power tool? Try going old school, but smarter. This RUITOOL Japanese Ryoba saw features a double-edged design, giving you different tooth patterns for different cutting applications. The pole saw style allows controlled cutting while making it easier to follow your line. Its compact 6-inch size is convenient for detailed woodworking and smaller projects. It's particularly useful for flush cuts, joinery, trimming, and precision woodworking tasks. Ever wish you could actually see where the heat is hiding? The TOPDON TC004 mini thermal imaging camera makes invisible temperature differences visible through a thermal image. With a 240 by 240 thermal resolution, it can help you identify unusual hot or cold areas during inspections and troubleshooting. It's useful for checking electrical components, HVAC issues, insulation problems, mechanical equipment, and other appropriate applications. Ever drilled into a wall and thought, please let there not be a stud right here? The Franklin Sensor's ProSensor M90 is designed to help locate studs behind walls before you start drilling. Its multi-sensor design uses 9 sensors to detect changes across a wider area than a basic single-point detector. That can make finding the center and edges of studs more convenient during home improvement projects. It's useful when mounting shelves, frames, cabinets, and other items that require more confident placement. A stud finder won't replace careful planning, but it can reduce the guesswork before making holes. Building model kits and still using whatever random cutter happens to be sitting on your desk? It's time to upgrade. These RUITOOL model nippers are designed for precision cutting of plastic model components and sprue connections. The single blade design is made for cleaner, more controlled cuts when removing parts from model frames. They're particularly useful for gunpla, hobby models, miniatures, and other detailed projects. Still measuring every pocket hole manually? Let the jig do some of the thinking. The Armor Tool Auto-Jig pocket hole jig uses a self-adjusting design to make pocket hole joinery faster and more repeatable. The starter pack includes 50 assorted screws, giving you what you need to begin building. Its automatic adjustment helps accommodate different material thicknesses without requiring constant manual setup. This makes it useful for furniture, cabinets, frames, and other woodworking projects that rely on pocket hole joints. Repeatable positioning is especially valuable when you're making multiple pieces that need to line up consistently. Measuring something with a tape measure, then measuring it again because you don't trust the first measurement? We've all been there. The LEXIVON 2-in-1 combines a traditional 16-foot auto-lock tape measure with a digital laser distance meter capable of measuring up to 130 feet. The backlit LCD display makes the digital measurements easier to read, while multiple measurement formats provide flexibility for different projects. Having both traditional and laser measurement in one tool means you can switch depending on the task. It's useful for woodworking, home improvement, construction, room measurements, and DIY projects. Which one would you actually add to your toolbox? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed discovering these tools, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing gadgets, tools, and workshop finds. Until next time, keep building, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep finding smarter ways to get the job done.